In this video, I will show you how to add a header to your Microsoft Word document by using the Python library docx. I start off by importing document from the docx library. The document object creates a Microsoft Word document in memory, and I will be writing headers to a fresh document. Let me start out by creating a fresh Microsoft Word document in memory. I will save that document object in the variable doc. Each document object in the docx library has a sections attribute that contains a list of all the sections on the document. By default, it has a single item in a list. Let me make this assignment by storing the only section of that list in my section variable, and I'll show you what we can do with this section variable. Hitting Tab on my new section variable, we can see the variety of pieces of information this object refers to on our Word document. We see information on margins, on footers, on headers, on heights and widths, and orientation. Essentially, the sections attribute of our worksheet contains information regarding a variety of components of our Word document. Think of the main part of the page as the body of the document and the surrounding portions of the body as different sections. It's the header attribute of our section object that we are interested in accessing here. I'm going to capture that header attribute of our section variable in the header variable. Let's see what we can do with our header variable. At the top of this list of attributes and functions, we can see the add paragraph function, which is what we are interested in using here. So let's use that now and add the text header text with an exclamation point. I would like to also add some text to the main body of our document. I can do that by accessing the document object and its add paragraph method, passing it some text. I will do this just to demonstrate the difference between where the header text is contained and where the body of the document is. Let's go ahead and save our document as header document via the save method on our document object. And on the left, you can see our document has been saved in our directory. Let's open it and see what it contains. We can see we successfully have written some text to the header of our Word document. We also have captured some text in the body of the document with our body of document paragraph. Let me switch back over to Jupyter Labs now and execute this body of document add paragraph method many times over, which will add some more text to our document. Doing so allows us to get to the next page of our document where we will see that header text is retained across multiple pages. Let me go ahead and scroll down to page 2. There we go. Multiple pages have the header text header that we added with Python. So it's quite easy. You access the sections attribute of your document object, isolate the header attribute of your section, and then utilize the add paragraph method of your header. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if this was a helpful and informative video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, as that really does help others find this content. And don't forget to hit subscribe so that you know when the next video drops.